Hello everybody, this is a video for the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is interesting because basically follow what we talked about in the previous video, which I still have the image up. We mentioned the creation of this triangle, and also that if the triangle would break up, it would be a continuation pattern that would basically have an objective. The objective would be around 812 pip. This is basically what happened. This is the weekly chart. Last week, the week before, it broke that triangle up, broke also a level of resistance here, and is actually the last week did touch the weekly resistance level, and then right now is pulling back down from it, which is a good sign for the uptrend. You don't want it to break all the way up and break such a strong level of resistance right away, because then you're going to see a lack of momentum in the move. So that blue area of buy area is still good. Also, this area here will be a secondary buy area, looking at the break of this level here, which is 122.059. If you go into the daily, that will give us a better idea what's going on. So the past couple days, from last week end of session to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, basically we see a consolidation happening between those two levels of support and resistance that we've drawn last week. And can't say that there's been a lot of movement there, but the dollar is actually retracing in all the major market right now. So that's probably why you don't see a very much of a push up, but you don't see either a pull down that much. It's pretty much of a straight line. The Japanese yen likes to move into a range pattern, and obviously this is one of those. Obviously the levels are quite easy to see now. We may modify the sell area if the currency goes back into this. I need to move that back. Goes back down into this triangle formation, and goes down under the Trend Dragon Trend Line daily. This would definitively be a sign that this actually may not be a triangle, but could be a rectangle. But in any case, if the price goes back into that area, then there would be a sell opportunity. Don't see that happening this week. I'd be very surprised unless the FOMC give us a surprise this week. So what I would be looking at is the break of that level, 122.059. If it does break that, then it will definitively go move up to the line that we drawn earlier right here, the 128.47, which I believe it's the objective, like 800. Let's just verify that. Yes, that would be the objective of the triangle. So the break of this level here would give us a clear blue sky for another probably 700 pip from that level. No, but 600 pip up. So within that 600 pip potential objective, I think there's quite a possibility to make 50 to 100 pip if you play right. So how do you play right? You keep in mind this high level here, which we're going to change the color so you can see it better. And you look at the build up from a lower time frame, or just wait for it to break, because it's two major Trend Dragon resistance level that would have been broken. Also, it's pretty much quite a high that has been broken as well. So that level, the break of that level, will bring some buying interest if that happens. And so you want to look at the hourly 4-hour chart or the hourly chart and see the price behavior. once it gets to this level. Right now, if we look at the hourly chart, there's not much behavior except the behavior of ranging. So if you want to front the market, you could go into ranging strategies, but geared towards the upside, of course, and see what kind of buildup you get, which right now we don't have. Um, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 day session, it's pretty much been flat with very small range, probably range around 43 pip, 50 pip at the max. So something to look at, but those levels are very much pretty much clear. Um, what would happen if it breaks? That's it for the Japanese yen. If you have any questions, please send me a note, email, or leave a note on YouTube.